Hey guys, I'm sick. It's your first time hearing my voice, but I'm sick. Yeah, let's look at the market. Yeah, we're in profit right now. I don't trust this trade. That's because the NFP coming tomorrow. But we shall see what's going to happen. Let's wait for the market to do its thing and take further steps. Yeah. Okay guys, so we're back after a few hours. Let's see. The market has moved during London session, but now we are approaching New York session, and it's gonna be a NFP. There's an NFP event coming up, so I'm going to move my stop loss above my entry, move my stop loss to break even, just to be safe. Yes guys. Let's do it now. 480. Still a live account. Yes guys, so now we in a risk-free trade. Whatever happens, but we're looking to buy long term on this trade, but let's wait and see. NFP is in about 2 hours. Yeah, it's at 2:30 South African time. So yeah, let's see what happens. We'll come back after a few hours. Let's go.
Sorry, sir.
Hey! Dada, why?
Business.
Good day guys. So just a quick update. We're back after a few hours. This is still the same account. The reason why you see the balance is 0 like that, that's because I've withdrawn the profits that we made today and the deposits to show you it's a live account. So it's a live account. The reason why I did this because it's a Friday and I don't want any temptations, so I've closed in profits. Yeah. But I want to show you something guys. I took my entry at around this level right here. My entry was about this level, right? And I had a stop loss. You remember what I did? a few hours earlier on. I put my stop loss above my entry so that it could be a break free, no, a break even trade, like a risk free trade. Even though it hits my stop loss, I won't lose any money. So I did that. NFP came through. At this time, it was around this candle right here. It was about 2 o'clock, 2:30 South African time in the afternoon. So the NFP came, did not panic. That's because I know that I'm not gonna lose any money, but the market's money that I'm willing to risk or lose. Mind you, I've already withdrew the first deposit that I've made before. So yeah. So I held this trade, came back about around this level right here. Let me do it like this so you can see properly. So it came back at around this level right here. Can you see how close was my stop loss? Because remember, I had my stops at about 480, if I could remember correctly. You see, it was only a few pips from hitting my stop loss and taking me out with break even. But because I have a proper trading plan and I stood by it, guess what the market did? It went back straight to my take profit, and I got out around here. Yeah, I got out and around this area. Yeah, around this area. So you can see, and this was a 94 or 90 something pips trade, but this is to show you guys that the markets can do whatever, but it only takes skill, patience. Yeah, that's it. When it comes to forex, patience is everything, right? But also skill. What can I say else? The experience of me, as I've started trading long time ago, so I know what is the market going to do on the next coming candlesticks or whatever. Not that I know, but the possibilities of it doing are higher. Yeah, English is running away from me, guys, but this has to show you. And still the same account, guys. So going back, let's check now. I started this account probably August. Let me see. Mind you, this wasn't a new it wasn't a new account. It was an account that I've had already, because yeah, you can see there's a history for previous trades, but I took out all the money I had on this account and I deposited $30. So every now and then you're going to see previous profits. Don't get confused, guys. I took out those profits, deposited that $30, then I flipped it. I flipped it. It's the third time now, I think, and I've done my withdrawals. I'm trying to see if I could get a proper date. Yeah, I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm back. I've just went to my videos on YouTube from the first video I've uploaded. I've just seen that the first deposit for the account was on the 28th of August. Yes, it's when I first deposited the $30. As you can see right here, deposited the first. So I went on growing that account, grew that account, did a withdrawal of $24 of $40, then went on again to deposit the $30, deposited the 30. I remember very well before depositing the 30, these withdrawals right here, the both of these withdrawals, the 24 and the 40, the profit that I've made before, I took this account from $30 to $64, if I can remember correctly. Decided to withdraw $64 and I put back in it was $30, as you can see. Put in $30. Guess what, I've managed to flip that account with only just one trade. Only one trade, guys. You only need that one trade. You don't need to trade every day, but you just need 4 setups and pick the one that's best for you and trade it. That's you minimizing the risk of you losing more money on everything, but just pick one setup that you think it's best and go with it. Sometimes, don't get me wrong, sometimes you're going to get it wrong and it hit your stop loss, but that doesn't mean you should go on and over trade or have form of fear, what we call fear of missing out, and end up blowing your account. So what I did here, I waited for this entry right here, waited for this entry. So yeah, I've got my entry, proper stop, proper risk management, proper stop loss set, and guess what, just let the trade run, then to cut your losses short and let your profit run. So I did exactly that. Guess what, doubled the account, and now I withdrew the $30 that I've put in plus the $31 that I've had. So yes guys, and to be it's so I've made on this account, I've turned $30 into, okay, I've flipped that $30 into 3 now. I guess that makes it it's 369, it's $120, I guess. Yes, as you can see guys, it's 125. So I've flipped that account to 125. So right now you can see from $2,000 we've managed to make 195. So as we keep on growing, we'll see how we turn out. It doesn't mean now that when I'm saying I'm flipping this account, I have to keep all the money there. I'm just making sure I'm safe and the money is safe, because you never know with these brokers, man. But I trust Exness, but you just never know. You just never know. Just keep your money, and remember this thing. Take note, guys, because this one thing I've learned probably many times when I blew my account, that the money you see on your dashboard right here is never your money. It's the broker's money. It's your money only when it lands to your bank account, guys. It's only your money when it lands to your bank account. So right now, that money currently, it's about to be my money because it's still under process. Yeah, so we'll see. So right now I've made 125. So yeah, 2000 minus 125, you're gonna see what we need to flip this challenge. But let's get it, let's go.